welcome to iQ's tutorial on Quickserver. Whether you're just getting started or looking for a refresher, this video will walk you through how to set up hot folder channels and folder paths. From the Quickserver dashboard, click Create Hot Folder Channel. This launches a guided setup wizard with instructions shown on the right-hand side of your screen. Step 1, name your channel something memorable like School Retouching or Web Resizer so it's easy to manage later. Then choose whether the channel should start automatically when Quickserver launches. Step 2, choose how the folders should be set up. Choose Auto Set Up All Folders where Quickserver automatically creates the input, output, and rejected folders for you in a selected top-level folder. For example, these folders will be within my Pictures folder, or you can manually select pre-existing input, output, and rejected folders. You can also enable whether you want to save the original photos as a backup. Then we move to the Tools section, where perfectly clear tools can be enabled here. Choose from Image Enhancement and the scene detection model you'd prefer for this channel, auto crop settings, and access to the perfectly clear cloud tools, glasses glare removal, and background removal, and more to come. Note, if you're using glasses glare or background removal, you'll need to add your unique API key from your perfectly clear cloud account under Web API and have internet connection. Specify which file types the channel should process. Just noting that glasses glare removal and background removal will only work with JPEG and PNG file formats. Identify which file formats in the input folder that need to be processed. Starting version 5, RAW file support is now included for Mac. For Windows, RAW image support requires installing separate extensions. Go to our full frequently asked questions for the RAW image, HEIF, HEVC extensions. You can choose whether to use trigger files in your channel where it requires a start file or stop file. The start file will need to be hosted in the input folder. Once this is detected, processing will begin. The start file is typically an empty text file, but it could be any file or file type. The stop file needs to be in the input folder beforehand, and then add images into the input folder. To begin processing, delete the stop file. Note, stop files take priority over a start file. If both a start and stop file are defined and both exist in the input folder, then processing will not happen. However, most workflows use one of the other, not typically both. This is helpful in automated workflows where timing is externally controlled, like in large photo labs or school workflows. Lastly, setting the output settings. You can choose whether the channel converts images to JPEG or attempts to preserve the input format. We say attempt because read-only formats like RAW files will always be converted to JPEG. And configure the level of JPEG compression in your outputs. Our default is 93% for JPEGs. The resizing feature gives you the flexibility to decrease the dimensions of your images while automatically altering or maintaining the aspect ratio based on your parameters. A note for the downscale option, just make sure the image output will not be less than 32 pixels. You can review all your settings before saving. If needed, use the back button to change earlier steps. And there you go, the hot folder channel is all set up. Review your settings and click Save to create your hot folder channel. You can always return to channel settings to adjust them later. If you have questions or want help customizing your setup, visit our frequently asked questions or reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching and happy enhancing.